Local news for April the 22nd. The 2020 Living Streets Aotearoa Walking Award nominations are now open. Presented in June, the awards recognise several categories from schools to community projects, events and champions. To enter a project, go to livingstreets.org.nz. The land and building that housed one of the North Island's leading pet food manufacturers and exporters has been placed on the market. Ranchman's Pet Food in Carterton has been a base for a food processing business for 3 decades. Its main production plant of New Zealand-owned Ranchman's Pet Food was moved to the Waikato late last year. And whānau Manaki kindergartens are welcoming the government's announcement about a move to level 3. The kindergartens are working on a plan for opening for those who need the kindergarten open from Wednesday next week. And Metlink are asking customers in Wairarapa for their views on bus services. The survey has been open since late March, but closes tomorrow. And they're after information about regional bus routes and how services are working for you, plus any improvements. The survey can be found on the Metlink website. Kia ora for local news and information. I'm Brent Gare.